Hello, 11th class IC students. Vanna Shrivastava welcomes you all in our English language class. Dear students, in our English language question paper pattern, you will see that in second question, first part, question is based upon the writing genre or style. In this type of writing style, you will come across to know how to write article writing, book review, film review, report writing, personal profile, statement of purpose, speech writing. In our today's class, we will study the format of report writing. So, dear students, firstly, we will know what is a report and how is it written. So, as here it is given, a report is a factual and objective account of some event or incident. It is generally about such incidents or events as are of general interest to the general public. Means objective account means it gives about the facts or writing about the facts without any personal feelings. What is seen, that is given. And also about the general public, where the public takes interest. It is based on purely facts and figures. It can be called an analytical analysis of any incident. Means it is given analyzed like who, what, when, where, why, and how. In this way, it is analyzed and then given the report. So, what is a report? Report is a formal piece of writing relying heavily on accuracy and objective descriptions of any events. Means objective descriptions means without any personal feelings. What is the fact that is given? Which would be political, it can be political, social, etc., that interests the public. It is written in an impersonal formal style. There is no any personal feeling in report writing. For the purpose and to convey information accurately, aiming to catch the reader's attention. It depends upon the reporter that how he is reporting it, that it should catch the eyes of the reader. It is better to present the report from a third person point of view using the passive voice. So in the report writing, passive voice is used. Example, the active voice reads as follows: I recommend. The passive voice reads, it is recommended that. So the active voice allows you to write only short and punchy sentences. But the passive appears more formal and considered. Means what is seen or what has happened, that is written. They provide the reader with the facts about an event or an issue, telling who, what, where, when, why, and how. The use of the third person point of view, written in past tense and in passive voice, will ensure that the report is objective. That is, report is objective, it is accurate. Reports are of two types: report writing, factual writing. In report writing comprises of report writing for reporting for a newspaper, reporting for a magazine, reporting in the assembly. And factual reporting comprises of description of people, description of place, description of any experiment. So now here we will go through the features of good report writing. How to write a good report writing. That it has a clear thought. It is complete and self-explanatory. It is comprehensive, means it should be understood very nicely. It has a suitable form. In a chronological order it goes. It is factual with supporting facts. No any personal feelings are required here. It is an impersonal style. It is presented in lucid style. It is built like an inverted pyramid, beginning with the most important and then gradually builds up details. So what is most important, that will be written in the starting and then it goes in detail. It should focus on the essential points at a glance because most news readers are in a hurry. So before preparing the report, the following points should be kept in mind. A report should convey necessary information in clear and precise manner. A heading should be provided to the report. The details in the report should be authentic and systematically arranged in small paragraphs. The source of information gathered should be mentioned. A report should conclude on the writer's analytical comments. The writer may conclude with a suggestion, warning, or an appeal. Date of reporting the event, and the language should be appropriate, simple, and the tense used should be past tense. So these are the important things to be kept in mind. So, in the report writing, today we will go with the newspaper report. How to write report writing as a newspaper report writing. A newspaper report is generally written on the basis of the account by the eyewitnesses to the reporter. Means basically the newspaper report is written what is seen through your eyes, and the reporter must report the facts which are accurate and authentic. He should verify the facts from different sources before he includes them in his report. Means he should not give the reports what is heard from others. What he has seen, that should be written. A newspaper report should invariably be brief, objective, and to the point. So writing a newspaper report, how to write? The newspaper report starts with the most important idea, and the what is most important, then second information, then comes next, and this is called inverted pyramid style. Means the leading points, who, what, when, where, and the body, why and how. Means who, what, when, where, how, where the event has occurred, and who means why it was, what was the cause, and the how and how it was settled. This way. Since the purpose of the newspaper report is to make the information clear to the readers, it deals strictly with the subject and there is no room for personal comments. News reports are straightforward. They are written in a simple style that uses shorter and simpler sentences. It usually starts with a headline. The headline is very important, and it often contains with records or interviews, reported word for word. So there are kinds of newspaper report. There's like crime report. In crime report, theft, chain snatching, street quarrel, murder, etc. Accident report, vehicle collision for fire accident, train accident, etc. Sports report, annual sports day, cricket match, hockey match, etc. Events, conference, inauguration, parties, book release, or anything. This way. These are the things, the kinds of newspaper report. So children, in the newspaper report, so you will be given the question, or you will be given in the question, suppose here I am giving you the example that the severe cyclone strikes West Bengal. So you will be given and you will put the headline, and if you are asked in the question that you are a staff reporter of the Times of India, so, and you are reporting for the severe cyclone strikes West Bengal. So you will write the heading and then you will write the staff reporter, the Times of India, and the date. If for the newspaper, in the question, particularly if it is written. And then you will be given the outlines. Outlines this way, as it is given here: date, time, areas affected, what happened, damage to life and property, cause, tidal waves, any relief provided, national concern, international reaction and help, compensation, what more is needed. These are the outlines. And what you have to do, according to the outlines, you have to change your paras. You will change your paras. See, there, suppose here, date, time, areas affected. So, 10th April 2009, Kolkata, a cyclone of very severe magnitude with 100 km per hour wind gushes uprooted all land bounds, ripping through West Bengal and Odisha besides Bangladesh. So 2 or 3 outlines you can take in one para. Then about what happened, damage to life and property. For this, you can go this way, that ILA has claimed over 275 deaths with thousands rendered homeless and millions without food and water. The devastation brought by this cyclone is hard to calculate. The whole of the country was shocked at this natural calamity. Then for the next para, about tidal waves, cause, you can go with this. Bitterly expose the fact that we have not learned much from the devastation suffered in the past and continue with uncontrolled pollution, deforestation, and hasty and unplanned industrialization. And for the last point, you can go with this. The UNO and other agencies expressed their shock and sent medical and financial aid to meet the after effects of the cyclone. Greenpeace and NGO is seriously involved in providing aid. We must be ready to meet such challenges. So, dear children, I have just given you an example. It is written given in very in short, in a brief way, but you are supposed to write in 300 words. So, the very important thing that, dear children, that you go through the points given to write a report writing accurately. First, you go through all the points nicely. Learn it. An important things to remember in writing any report is that the heading is required for newspaper writing by staff reporter, and then date. And then you fill the outlines or elaborate the outlines parawise. Do not miss, children, any point given in the question. Any of the points. As 16 marks are for the outlines writing and 4 marks are for the expression, means grammar, correct English, written in approx 300 words or not. So this report writing is of 20 marks. So this way, children, I end my class today. In next meet, the topic will be given to see your style of report writing. Till then, thank you.